Hello everyone. Today we are going to see our next practical. Using a request dispatcher interface, create a servlet which will validate the password entered by the user. If the user has entered servlet as a password, then he will be forwarded to welcome servlet. Else the user will stay on the index.html page and error message will be displayed. Okay. So we have to make use of the request dispatcher interface so that we can forward the request to welcome servlet file if username and password matches, and if username and password does not match, then we have to show the error message on the same index.html file. Okay, so let us see how we are going to create this application in NetBeans. Okay, so for that, click on file, new project, then select the option under categories, that is Java web application. Next, suppose here we write project name as REQ login. Okay, then I have already selected the project location, that is d:/Java study. Just click on the next. Here we do not have to change anything, just click on next. Here also we do not need to select any framework, just click on finish. Okay, so you can see here by default you will get this file, that is index.html. so in index.html we are going to write the code, that is form action equal to login servlet. Okay, then enter user ID, and in front of it is the text box which is having name attribute as txt id. Then enter password. Again, input type is here we have to set the password, and then name properties txt pass. Okay, and there are two buttons, reset and submit. I just copy it. Okay, and place it in the body tag. Okay, so here form action is equal to login servlet. So whenever we click on the submit button, then a request is forwarded to login servlet file. Okay, here you can also put method is equal to post. Okay, so this is our index.html file. Just click on save all button, and then next what we have to create, we have to create login servlet file. For that you need to right click on source packages here, right click new, and here is the option servlet. So here we have to write the file name login servlet, and suppose we have to put some package name like servlet. I written here servlet. Just click on next. Okay, so here is one configure servlet deployment box. We do not need to change here anything, because if we select this check box, then it will create web.xml file and enter this servlet information, but we are using annotations instead of this web.xml file, so we don't have to select it. Just click on finish. Okay, so here we will get our file, that is login servlet.java file. Now we have to write code into process request method. So in here in the body tag we can write the code. Okay, so what we have to check first, the request information that is sent by client, and for that I just copy from this file. Okay, so we need to variables uname and upass. So uname is nothing but uname is equal to request dot get parameter txt id. So whatever data we entered into text field, that is retrieved and stored into uname variable. Then next is the upass. So upass will store the password that we have entered in our HTML form. Okay, so just copy it. Okay, so here we have two variables. Now we have to check whether username and password is correct or not. For that you need to write one if statement. If uname dot equals admin and upass dot equals servlet, then what need to create, we need to create a request dispatcher object. So here it is shown request dispatcher rd is equal to request dot get request dispatcher and in double quotation mark welcome servlet. So this request dispatcher object rd is obtained by using request object. Request is the object of http servlet request. Okay, so with the help of request object we can easily obtain request dispatcher object, and here the file name set is the welcome servlet. So our request is forwarded to this file welcome servlet if admin, that is username and password matches. Okay, so here is the next statement which is very important, rd dot forward. So forward is the one important method of request dispatcher which will forward the request to the welcome servlet file. Okay, so here both the objects request and response will be forwarded to welcome servlet file. Okay, so this is what first if both the username and passwords are matched, and else block is written if password does not match with the username, then we have set the background color to red. Okay, then one message is login fail, and again we have need to create the request dispatcher object, and this request dispatcher object will forward the request to again index.html file. Okay, and for that we need to write the method rd dot include request comma response. That means on the same page you can see the index.html file is included. That means on the same servlet page you can see index.html file which is included. Okay, so I just copy this code from if. Okay, so request dispatcher is the object which belongs to javax.servlet package. So we need to import this package, so just click here. Okay, this will import request dispatcher. So you can see all the errors are removed here. Okay, you just align it. Okay, then else out.println request dispatcher rd.include. Okay, so just click on say all button. Let us try to run it one more time. Suppose we type here wrong password and click to login, so it will show the output that is login fail. To create one more file, just click on source package, right click new, here write servlet and the file name is welcome servlet. Okay, so welcome servlet here. Package name is again we write the same servlet. Just click on next. We don't have to change anything here, just click on finish. Okay, and then we have to just write the message that is login successful. Okay, instead of this statement we just here write login successful message. login successful. Okay, and uh, one more line in out dot println, where we write welcome and in front of it plus username. Okay, plus, so we need to retrieve a username, so we just write request dot get parameter, and the name property is here. What is it? Txt id. Just copy it and paste it here. Txt id. Okay, so it will display the message, and after that just plus in double quotation mark the exclamation sign. Okay, so let us run it again. Run file. Here enter user id admin and the password, sorry, and the password is servlet. Click to login. Okay, so here you can see the output login successful and a message welcome admin. So this is all about the request dispatcher interface.